Hello, and welcome to the Creative Corner. Today we will learn to use Eyedropper tool in Adobe Illustrator. There are 4 ways in which this tool can help us. So, let's start discussing it. This feature of Eyedropper tool helps us to add color from any sample. Sometimes, we don't know about the color code, so we can use it to copy the color. Draw a rectangle. Select it using the selection tool. As we don't know the color code of this and we want it for our rectangle, so we will select the shape we want the color on. We will select the Eyedropper tool from the toolbar or by clicking I on the keyboard. And then click on the other rectangle to copy color of it. Click the stroke box in the Tools panel, and click the shape with desired color while holding down the Shift button on the keyboard. Stroke has been added. Let me increase the stroke size for you so you can see it clearly. Draw another rectangle, and click on the gradient window. Click on a gradient slider, select the Eyedropper tool and click on the desired color while holding down the Shift button on the keyboard. Repeat the process to add color to other gradient sliders. Select the rectangle and then select the Eyedropper tool. Click on the rectangle whose format or style you want to copy. So, you can see that the rectangle have the same format as of the selected one. Time to add some key notes. Number 1, to copy the whole format or style, just select the Eyedropper tool and click. Number 2, to copy a specific color, select the Eyedropper tool and hold the Shift button while clicking. That's all for today. Hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you want to suggest a topic. Happy learning!